Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Chevy Cruze key fob. Start by locating your spare battery and unlock the flip key using the small release button. Then remove the old battery and insert the new one with correct polarity, reassemble the fob, and perform any relearn procedure if required by your vehicle. Testing buttons for lock, unlock, and trunk functions to ensure full operation. I will show tips for tools and parts needed to swap your Chevy Cruze key fob battery and program if necessary. Gather a small flathead, a new CR 2032 battery, and a clean cloth. Then work on a soft surface to avoid scratching. Follow vehicle manual steps for programming. Keep both keys handy to assist relearn, and keep phone nearby for reference images or instructional videos while you complete the process safely and calmly. I will show a quick break for a recommendation and a friendly reminder to subscribe and like if you find this video helpful. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading repair guides anywhere. With a crisp display and long battery life, it fits in a glove box and helps you follow steps hands-free. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. I will show a simple relearn procedure to sync your Chevy Cruze key fob without a dealer visit. Enter the vehicle, close all doors, insert and remove the key from ignition twice, then press any fob button within 10 seconds of the last key cycle and listen for locks to confirm programming. Repeat for the second fob if needed, and always test lock, unlock, and remote start where applicable safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.